Parker Show. How's it going, guys? Welcome back. Thank you to all my new subscribers and all my OG subscribers for joining me. Today we have a little surprise. If you click the title, you probably know what it is already. I apologize in advance for the mess in the background. We're getting our garage retrofitted for earthquakes. I don't know if you guys know, we have earthquakes here in LA quite often. So everything's a mess because there's construction going on. I got a new light and I'm really excited to install it. So let's just jump into it. All right, so just as soon as you open the box, you see the light. It's from the brand named KANEBILT. They're in Santa Monica. They're based in LA, I believe. And the new light looks so cool, man. It looks amazing. It's huge. We're gonna compare sizes with the OG one, but this is what it comes with. Comes with a little cable where you can connect your the little wire that connects to the Super 73. It also comes with a long cord, so you can install this on your handlebars. And I believe this is for a low light and for, you know, full on lights. And then right in the middle is neutral or off. Yeah, it looks really cool. Looks legit. It's funny because this one came with something I did not expect. Besides all the, you know, brackets and stuff, I wish it came with instructions. Let's hope it's pretty easy to do. I'm not sure if it's easy to install on the bike. I probably have to get rid of all these brackets over here. But funny enough, it came with something that you guys are not gonna expect. That's right, guys. This is what I paid money for. I thought it was really nice that they put this in. I thought it was funny. Anyway, so it came with this. It came with the brackets, and it also came with the light. So yeah, I'm excited to install it. Let's get to it. Before we proceed with the time lapse, I wanted to show you guys what I'm doing first. Is there are these little bolts on the bottom here, like right there. This little screw. I'm unscrewing these because they're basically holding onto the handlebars. So I'm unscrewing these first. They're a little bit rusty, so but they're easy to take off. You just have to have the right tool. All right, so the hardest part, I would say, because I have really big hands, was reaching under these holes under here. That took about 10 minutes. Also, these cables are so hard to unplug. They take a lot of force. I mean, I'm a pretty big guy, and it took a while to unplug this, but luckily I did it, and it was actually not that bad to take off. This is the supposed to be the easiest part. But yeah, it's kind of cool to see it just unmounted by itself. This is kind of what the R's look like without the lights. But yeah, let's just see the size difference between this one and this one. So you can already see the designs are very similar, kind of the cylinders. Then it has these little bolts here, which are kind of cool. There's no halo, because I know that there's another model of these where they had a little halo and it lit up, which is kind of cool, but they didn't have those in stock, so I ended up getting this one. But yeah, let's see how easy it is to mount this. So far, I'm really liking the size difference, and it should be really bright, so we'll see. I'm hoping that if I tighten the bolt a little bit, it'll be completely still. But I had a feeling this was gonna happen because you can kind of see that it's not, I don't know if you can see from the camera, but it's not a perfect cylinder between an O and a U. It's like right in the middle. So it's not a complete cylinder and it doesn't really quite fit. But I'm gonna try to tighten it a little bit more and hopefully it'll fit. So I took this guy off just to kind of, this is my horn, by the way, and also my alarm. It's usually here, and I have it facing forward because I want cars to hear me. I know people have it in the back. Some people have it towards them. I like it when it's towards the front of the bike because that's where I want people to hear me. so I have it outwards. But because it's in the way, we're gonna put it right here for now. These screws right here, I believe you just unscrew them and then you screw them at the very top here. I'm sure you can experiment by going all the way back here or all the way at front, because I'm sure that's why the screw is so big. Maybe not the last one because it looks like it goes right through it, but definitely this one and this one, you can do it. I'm gonna put it all the way out because I think that would be the smartest choice to do. Like I said, at home you can do it any way you like, but I'm pretty sure these holes are for decoration, but it won't hurt if you put it here. It'd probably work just fine because the screw is big enough to fit. I can show you. See, the screw is pretty big enough to fit in there. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put this guy up here next to the throttle. Find a way. I have to unscrew this. Yeah, this is gonna be hard. Just thought because it's not something that is on and off, I could just use directly from here, from the controller. But this one, it's just kind of like going bright and going dim. So I thought I'd just put it right here on the side. The screw looks better when it's just by itself and this all on the inside. So let's try to do that. Yeah, if you have another second pair of hands, this is definitely very helpful if you have someone that can help you out with this, because this can be really tedious by yourself. So it's good to have someone that can help you out with this. All right. It's pretty tight. It moves a little bit. Now the final part is connecting this guy to this guy. Another thing I was gonna say, remember to align the arrows with each other. So arrow to arrow, because they're very sensitive and very delicate. So if you do it backwards, or if you do it not aligned, you can destroy literally the cable. All right, it's been plugged in. I hope this tutorial helped you guys out a little bit. I know it's a little tedious to see me struggle with all these things. I'm trying to make the mistakes that of doing it for the first time, so you guys don't have to make those mistakes like I did, and just have an easier way to install it. I think the KANEBILT light is really awesome. I really recommend it. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check it out. I'm not sponsored by them. I just really love their lights. And just gonna say, if you guys enjoy this video, please leave a like. It helps out the channel a lot. And if you want any of my mods on my Super 73, there's a link in the description below as well. And if you want $100 off any Super 73, any model, there's a link in the description below, and it also helps out the channel a lot. Let's do a quick comparison to the OG light and the new light. What do you guys think? Pretty big difference. Anyway, thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.
2 hours later.
All right, we're in front of my garage. It's completely dark out here. This is the light on standby. See, it's just standby. It's still pretty bright. Switching it to 1. And switching it to 2. It's really bright. Really love how bright it is. Illuminates the bottom and also the sides and the top. And it's nice that you can kind of change the angle of it if you want to make it higher or lower. Yeah, I'm very happy with the purchase. I definitely recommend it.